What is up, everybody? Rick here, coming at you with another unboxing. This time, we got something a little special, something I've been waiting for. I don't usually pre-order knives, but this is one I had to. I don't know if it's still available, but I will link the manufacturer down below. Yeah, if you like this kind of content, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. But let's get into it. Yeah, what do we got? Feels like there's more in here, so I'm gonna try to cut carefully. Of course, we got the Blade HQ exclusive. We got XOM and then Nitro V and aluminum. And just rip into it. Oh, okay. So we got no. There's layers. Layers. Like an ogre. All right. And we got packaging inside some packaging. Nothing's going to be exposed. Okay, we're good. Wow. Okay. Packaging with intact on the other side. Nothing. All right. Ooh. Let's get into it. So that's what I was feeling is this. So much fun. Oh, they wrapped this thing up. All right. Oh, yeah, light's terrible. What's going on? Let me turn that off. Or turn it down. Turn it down. There we go. Oh, maybe in a little bit. Just a little bit. It's moving the camera. I don't like that. I don't like it. It's going off. All right. We'll just go in dark mode. Oh. What do we got? What's in the box? What's in the box? You ready for this? I don't know if I'm ready for this. We've got the Excalibur. Kumu. Excalibur. Oh boy. So this would be my third Kumu. I am much happier with the. I have the Django. That was the first one I got. Then I got a Padre. How could I forget? I'm much more happy with the liner locks. I don't know, it's funny. I was just in Kenman's live and talking about crossbar lock stuff. I'm kind of done with crossbar locks. They're nice. I like them. I got plenty of them, but I just prefer the feel of a liner lock or frame lock. So we got the Kumu bag. We got a Kumu card. Is this a sticker? No, certificate. We got some Kumu stickers. Cool. They should have had a Metal Complex one. You think? Because I guess I didn't going back up. If you don't know, this is their Metal Complex collab. This we got a rag. We got some extra hardware and a clip, and then we got the knife. So put that aside, put that in here. Oh, put that on top. Put this in here. I don't like it. There. I don't like it. It's gone. All right. Let's get into this. I'm making sound effects today. So there it is in all its glory. Titanium, milled titanium, integral. Ho, 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 ho. This is my first integral. Frame lock. Timascus pocket clip. Timascus pivot collars. I believe it's DLC coated titanium. And then let's get we got thumb stud. Okay. So before we pop open the blade, so integral. So we've got nothing sharp. All right, nothing that I'm feeling. I like that. I've never had. Oh, this is focusing. Come on, work with me. Oh, some butthole is plowing snow. What time is it? No, it's not that late. Okay. Oh, so you see in there we got the metal complex helmet. It's a helmet in there. Yeah, get the focus on that time mask is probably not gonna do it, but it looks very nice. It's good weight. It's not light, but I like that weight. All right, let's give it a go. Let's pop this open. I don't want to see that. Already 6 minutes in, 7 minutes in. Dang. Whoo. So we got that polished DLC Vanix blade. That is sharp. Drop point. That's a sharp knife. And it's also sharp. It's cold to touch. I just got it in from the mail. It's cold outside. That's a sharp looking knife. I like that. We got some nice jimping back on the back of the spine here. No hot spots. I've heard some stuff about the pocket clip being tight. Yeah, it's pretty tight. I know. We'll see. Oh, I don't have jeans on anymore. But full. And this is just an unboxing. Full review can't be. Did I just hear a ring? Anyways, squirrel. This is just an unboxing, first impression. Full review will come down the line. Okay, so it does drop onto your thumb. Oof, the action's great. Use the thumb studs. Ooh, okay. Ooh. So I think I had this with my Padre as well. I think it takes a little breaking in. I'll lube up that, clean off that detent ball. I'll try and give it a whirl. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it's just a little stiff. I should have let it warm up. I like how where the Padre feels kind of blocky on the axis to the lock. This is nice and smooth. Nice and smooth all over. No jimping, but it doesn't feel like it's needed. Just kind of cut out there. Full finger grip. Choke up here. Just a nice looking knife. I like the picture of it. You know what? I think it looks better in person. I really do. Love the Switch. That's a sharp looking knife, sharp looking blade. Action's good. I mean, finger. Yeah. Okay. See, now we go. Now we go. We're getting into it. Um. Yeah. Okay. What's the hardware? And everything will be linked in this video below. Like I said, I don't know if these are available anymore. They're pre-order and they're only able to sell, I think, 1,600. I know they plan on doing other runs of it. So we got T8 screws all around, I believe. Let me double check. Yeah, T8. T8 screws. Noise. I like that. Blah, 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 throwing stuff around. The length on this thing. I'm just leaving stuff all over the place. We're looking at 8.5, just under 8.5 inches. We're looking at a 3 4/4 inch blade with 3.5 inches of cutting edges. Very nice size. When it comes to my preference, that is. May not be for you. It might be too big, might be too small. I don't know. I think that is the perfect Goldilocks size for me. Like that's kind of my sweet spot. I try it in the sweatpants, but I don't. Yeah, I mean it's tight. I mean I can get it in there, but I don't wear a knife in sweatpants, so the jeans will be the judge. I don't know if you hear that. Dude's truck is way too loud. Nice and clean looking knife. That's what I got. That's the video. Short and sweet to the point. There'll be a full review down the road after I get to carry it a little bit. First impressions, I like it. But time will tell. Anyways, that's all I got here. Please, if you haven't already, give this video a like. Please subscribe to my channel. Greatly appreciated. Also, you can find me over on Instagram at Rick's Knives. But that's all I got for you tonight. Just so or day, whenever time you are watching this. But till then, till next time, have a good rest of your day.